it said for you guys, okay? Ready na po ba kayo? Yes! Ready na po, Pipo? Sing Banana! Jorge Michael! Sabor Y Vino! Yes! Tayo. Ready? Set! Go!
Charles, and we
are the Sing Bananas. We're a duo. We've been improvising for 8 years. We'll be doing some couple of improv activities for you tonight. For our first game, we are going to be playing a game called S Pa Rin, where we are going to be doing a scene, and at any point that we mention a word that has the letter S, I will need you to all yell S, and we will need to change that word. For example, I say, yes. You got it! Diba? So, you got it. Alright, so to start, to begin our activity, can we get a word to inspire our scene? A word, please?
Serendipitous.
Serendipitous.
Serendipitous makes me think of something. Serendipitous make me think of the unexpected. What are things that are unexpected? Can you be more specific? Pregnancy!
Gift. Alright. So this is going to be a scene with Esperin with gift. Merry Christmas!
Yes!
Merry Holidays, Dad! Merry Holiday, Dad!
Thank you. I appreciate you preparing this gift. I appreciate you preparing that gift.
Well, that is a gift. That gift from Mom. Huh?
You remembered to give me the old photo album we kept in the locker.
Yeah,
Yes.
Let us.
Yes.
Let me show you. Let me open. Mom, Dad,
You.
we were happy.
I remember the days that Samantha. I remember the week that Samantha. I remember the week that Marie and I were before we were separated. Before we were annulled.
Yeah, those were sad. That was sad. That depressing.
Let's not talk about it. We will not talk about it. We don't. The photo album thing.
Apologize.
Are you asking me? Are you making me say sorry? Are you?
I am. That Mom left me. You.
She did. Marie did. I love Marie.
I love Mom. And now we're alone.
And it's my fault. And it's your fault. And no one has fault. It's her fault.
Her fault. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't get to tell you. Mom left for a guy. For a guy.
Who's the guy? What is the name of the guy name is what?
Juancho.
My best friend. My superior friend.
Your partner friend. Are you okay?
This is news for me. Discovery.
You're,
Wow.
you bewildered, Dad, I know. it here. We can be a family. The two of us.
Yes.
You and me.
We love each other, and that's what's it.
Yes.
And this is
Yes.
we have each other.
Happy holiday, Dad.
Happy holiday. We are done with the S of the
Give yourself some applause, please.